to behold the beauty of your presence. I am here in Mississippi Mills at the Dragonfly Boutique today. It is such a wonderful day where I am educating the women how to wear Love's Pure Light simply. Okay, this scarf here, it's one of our large size scarves. It's 180 centimeters by 140 centimeters. Yes, it's quite big, but the beauty of our scarves is that they're ultra fine, lightweight. They feel like wearing a feather. They keep you cool and they keep you warm at the same time. That is the mystery of our frequency fabrics that we distribute across Canada and into the nations. This scarf here is called the Behold the Beauty of Your Presence. And the simple way how to wear a Love's Pure Light scarf is you're going to take this large scarf. I'm going to show you 3 ways how to wear a Love's Pure Light scarf. You're going to take one point, let it fall, okay? Yes, I know it's almost hitting the floor there. And I've got 2 off-centered triangles, okay? To wear it as a shawl, you go 1, 2, 3, and you can put it over your shoulders. And I've got it covering, okay? It's covering my arms. I love to just have that covering over my body, whether I'm in church, at my desk, going to the grocery store, or I'm driving. It's not around my neck, but it's keeping my body covered. And you can take both points and you can wrap it just like this. And the whole purpose is that you show the color. You don't want to tie a scarf so many times that you can't express and share the beauty first in your heart, but on the scarf. The second way I'm going to show how to wear this scarf, again, you've taken the scarf angle to angle, okay? Simple way, you grab it in the center. I'm going to wrap it around my neck, okay? And then wrap it here. Got some friends in the background. And then I am tying it like this, okay? So there you have it, just as a simple scarf tie. If you're wearing it under a jacket or a sport jacket, perhaps in a business meeting, you get a whole different look there. And now I'm going to show you a third way, which is very simple. If you want something a little bit more tight, this is a way to transform your large scarf into a more compact, neat, I'd like to say just a sharper look. Okay, so I'm folding it now into a rectangle. I am folding it again. I'm folding it again and again. Okay. So here I have it like this. Okay, you still see the fray edge. Now you can just wear it like this. Some people want to just wear it, have it draped over. You could tie it with a knot. Okay, but the way I'm going to show is that you're going to take this here. You're going to tie a loop knot, okay, here. Now, this will not show as much of the color, but you will get some pretty awesome color. Now, I've got this loop in the front, okay, just like this. Can you see? And then you're going to go like this. How's my camera woman doing? It's hard to do this without a mirror, but I'm a pro. I'd like to say I'm a pro.
Looks like it.
There we go. Okay, so I have it like this. I've got 2 ends like this, and then I'm gonna go one in here, and then one in there. And say you're wearing like a dress, and let's be real, ladies, sometimes you don't want, if you have cleavage or like I'm wearing a shirt, I don't like showing my chest. So you can just tuck it like that, and you have that little protection there. And what you're doing by wearing a scarf is you're creating people to look at your face. That's what you want. Sometimes when you're wearing just all outfit, people look down, but you want to crown your face. That's what people want to see, is the beauty in your heart shines through your smile. The scarf is a beautiful finishing touch that highlights the face, brings joy to those you meet with, and it's also a great conversation piece.